Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I'm preparing for a new semester at university. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anna. I'm a second year psychology student, starting my second year very soon on the 3rd of October. It is currently Monday the 23rd of September, but the reason why I'm starting this video today is because today we sign up for our classes. So this is the timetable that I want to sign up for. Basically, at my uni, you need to sign up for different groups. So for seminars and classes like that, there are usually 4 different groups, and the timetable varies according to what group you're in. I would be taking digital notes and then using notebooks for seminars. These 4 are ones that I bought for uni. I'm going to take with me this cat notebook because it's a cat. This will be for the first semester. Another way I'm preparing for the new semester is organising my desktop because it's a mess. This is the bag that I got that I'm going to be using for uni. I looked around the whole shopping centre, but they got rid of New Look, so I'm very mad about that. This bag has 3 pockets. It does fit my laptop. The only downside of this bag is though that if it rains, there's a bit that will be exposed. Another way that I'm preparing for the new academic year is organising my folders and notebooks. This is preparing a folder that I'm going to be using for revision. I'm not 100% sure how I want to organise myself at uni. I have a lot of folders and these plastic wallets. Like, I have so many, but as you can see, I'm reusing my dividers from my A-levels. This involves just preparing my folder because I'm going to be using this for revision material, so I can either bring it with me to uni or just have it all in one place, because I do type up my notes, but I think I'm going to print them and then make summary versions of my lectures and so on, and I'm going to keep those summary posters like I did before, and I'm going to keep these in here. Sorting out these folders, and a few of them are broken, so I tried to fix them myself because I don't want to get new ones. I can just reuse these like 100 times. I'm just creating one for every single class or lecture that I have.